Earn passive income by sharing your internet connection. This is a truly passive way to earn money. Literally, you are doing nothing other than the initial sign-up process and the installation of the application. Stay in this video until the end, and I will show you how to immediately claim your first $5. Honeygain is an application you can install in your desktop and Android smartphones that helps its user to earn money online by sharing their internet connection. In short, you essentially employ your internet connection to make money for you. The Honeygain network is used by researchers from e-commerce, advertising and web intelligence companies. These companies extract insights from the web to enable market research, ad fraud prevention, brand protection, pricing intelligence, travel fare aggregation, and SEO monitoring services. Currently there are two different services that you can earn money on. The default network sharing, available to all regions, and the content delivery service, which is available in specific countries at this time. You will earn 1 credit for 10 megabytes of traffic that goes through you. So for 10 gigabytes you will earn 1,000 credits, which is $1. You will earn 10 credits for every hour content delivery is active and running. Honeygain so far has processed more than 20,000 payouts, and paid more than $500,000. The average time to reach the minimum payout threshold of $20 is 48 days. You can use up to 2 devices in the same internet connection to earn faster. The desktop application earns faster than smartphone, so make sure you have at least one PC running, and perhaps a spare mobile phone as a second device. You can also employ another smartphone device on cellular data, if you have an unlimited data plan or lots of gigabytes. When you use your cellular network, you can set up your data consumption limits in order not to run out of data, or have to pay for excessive data consumption. There are over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot, with great feedback and a score of 3.9. The Honeygain team replies to every review, so credits to them for a very customer-focused service. And here is the bonus. Sign up via my referral link below and claim your first 5,000 credits, which are worth $5 immediately. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please hit the like button so that will help this video rank better and let more people discover it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, in order to discover our upcoming videos with more ways to earn passive income. Thanks for watching.